Welcome to Neo Dashcam, where everyday drives turn into unforgettable stories. Buckle up, hit subscribe, and enjoy the ride with us.
Guess both drivers wanted the same piece of asphalt. Unfortunately, asphalt won. That rush looked more like a contestant on a game show hitting the buzzer too soon. Plenty of energy, wrong timing. That car lit up like a 4th of July firework. Except this celebration came with a tow truck. One wrong guess about timing can change everything. Stay alert, especially around bigger vehicles. That cyclist just unlocked Matrix mode, dodging danger like it was choreographed. That ride went from zero to action movie real quick, minus the stunt crew and safety nets. That ride looked like an unwanted roller coaster. No tickets, no fun, just a rough exit. Leave a comment. Would you dare take a seat on this roller coaster? That car lit up like a 4th of July firework, except this celebration came with a tow truck. It resembled two shoppers grabbing for the same Black Friday deal. Plenty of energy, no winner at the checkout.
Whoa.
When size meets speed, patience is your safest bet. A few seconds saved can cost a fortune. Once balance starts to slip, it's not easy to regain. Staying just a little calmer helps keep all four wheels exactly where they belong. Even the smallest brush is proof that slowing down is worth it.
Yeah. Oh,
That looked like two uncles arguing over the grill. Lots of smoke, no winner.
And they jumped the fence. Oh. Oh, damn. No, no, no. No!
That move felt like a shopping cart ramming a soda display. Loud, messy, nothing sweet left. Looked more like two delivery trucks aiming for the same driveway. Nobody got their package on time. That meeting on the road felt more like a bad calendar appointment. No one wanted it, yet it still happened. Once momentum takes over, control is no longer yours. Slowing down keeps the wheel in your hands. Rush hour suddenly turned into rush nowhere. 2 drivers, 0 progress.
Yeah.
When riders push at the same time, control slips away faster than balance can hold.
I'll move out of the way.
That slip looked more like a grocery cart running wild down the aisle. No brakes, no bargains. That balance went out the window in seconds. Tough moment right there. That spin was closer to a clumsy twirl on the dance floor than anything fit for the road. Hit that subscribe button to catch more gripping and unforgettable moments on the road. That race looked like 2 cousins fighting over the last slice of pizza. Messy, loud, and nobody full. One reckless move can change everything. Always respect the bigger vehicle. Oh wow, that car got pushed off course. That was a pretty intense collision. Like a friendly wave from a neighbor. Had the charm of 2 grocery carts stuck in the same checkout lane. Funny for a moment, awkward for everyone. A single rushed second can turn into hours of waiting. The slow lane often wins in the end. A quick push forward can erase hours of calm. Patience is the smoothest shortcut. It felt like 2 chess players moving onto the same square. Strategy gone, contact inevitable. It carried the feel of 2 football players chasing the same pass. Contact before the play even started. Rushing to get ahead often means no one moves forward. Slowing down keeps the road open. single slip of focus can turn a road into a cliff's edge. Awareness is the true guardrail. When both sides demand the space, safety is the first thing lost.
Car isn't viable.
That tire took off like it got drafted by NASCAR. Too bad the car wasn't invited.
Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Glenn, I can't even tell you what just happened in front of me, dude.
With just a little more caution, things could have stayed under control, and sometimes slowing down is the best way to keep everything on track. It's like watching two heavyweight NFL players collide. Only this time, there's no touchdown, just another moment added to the wild world of dashcam car crashes. That's a rough hit. Blink and you'd miss it. A second of rushing can cost months of repairs. Slowing down is always the smarter move. Like watching a bowling ball hit black ice. The slide didn't stop until the pavement said so.
Starting audio recording.
Looks like both thought the lane was on a buy one, get one free deal. Classic road rage moment right there. Two heavy haulers edged into each other like a high-stakes game of chicken, and in the end, gravity made the final call. It's like a moving wall brushing against a small car. No winners here, just a lesson to remember. It's like two bowling balls rolling toward each other. No strikes, just a bit of chaos on the lane. A single misjudgment can turn into costly damage within seconds. Stay focused behind the wheel. Looks like the biker wanted to join the carpool, but forgot to send an RSVP. That came out of nowhere, gone before you could even process it.
Dead.
Like two mail carriers trying to
You have
squeeze through
dialed
the same
emergency
doorway, tight space,
000.
and neither
Your
made it
call
through
is being
smoothly.
connected.
Sometimes giving up a little space avoids a lot of trouble. Patience keeps everyone moving safely.
Someone just ran a red light and they hit on us in the car. West North Boulevard and West Shore Boulevard.
Two drivers just tested their bumper's strength. Spoiler, neither passed the exam.
Right to donate to political parties, that's not a crime. I've always raised
The highway leaves little room for error. Every second of focus matters more than ever.
I've been concerned about different extremist movements.
It was like a refrigerator rolling into a dining chair. One side sturdy, the other side helpless. That tree just got the closest parking job of the day, though nobody planned. 33. When drivers fight for the same space, safety always loses. Steel against steel is always proof that yielding costs less than forcing through.
Oh shit.
The clash carried the feel of two shoppers slamming carts over the last holiday turkey. Plenty of effort, no winner at dinner.
Selective use of a C word.
That drive ended with a handshake from the power pole. Formal, but far from friendly.
Well, I don't think either of them, but I don't remember the truck day. Can't be a
Had the timing of two folks reaching for the last donut awkward for both. One quick move can cost plenty of time. Patience still buys the smoothest ride. Two paths crossing without caution rarely end with peace. Staying mindful is always worth the effort. It felt like two baseball players chasing the same fly ball, except here, no one made the catch. It felt more like a driveway debate, only the bumpers were doing the talking. Who do you think should have yielded first in this debate?
That's it for today on Neo Dashcam. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and let us know what you think in the comments below. Your thoughts keep the road alive.